rainy day here in North Carolina. We have a typical summer thunder pattern where late in the day there's a lot of heat in the atmosphere. We get some thunderstorms that fire off, and that's what's happening today. You can see. But what I wanted to discuss is Instagram. Now Instagram, everybody's like, well, we know what Instagram is. It's Facebook with pictures. That's what I always thought of it. But I joined Instagram. I was trying to expand my social media presence. I discussed that in some other videos. But what I found is, much like we have an HVAC YouTube community, there's HVAC communities elsewhere, like Instagram. There's like this whole group of guys that are over there posting pictures of their work and stuff they run into, and it's kind of a neat thing because over there, I've been on YouTube for years, but over there I'm the new guy, so I'm just starting out. So it's kind of a neat dynamic. I've enjoyed posting pictures there, some work pictures. I post some pictures of some of the videos that I'm doing, some of the stuff I'm working on. So if you guys get a chance, I know that I've asked for you guys to do it if you want to win the tool video, but otherwise, there's some cool stuff over there. So check it out. And I think you won't be disappointed. You'll get some cool pictures of work photos, just see all sorts of stuff people are working on. So if you have a chance, check out.
I'm in the night again, riding on into the night again. Silent and black, I collect my thoughts. Lonely drive home. Cold and diffused, I find out the news that you're gone.